Alright, little princesses, so trade breakdown of today. Yesterday I mentioned that I'm in for a sell, because if you look at the daily time frame, it's not a clean turtle soup, but it's still one. It's still a valid one. We turtle soup this high, coming also into a nice key area, which is this fair value gap in between here, and also an order block. Perfect mitigation here. We then can hop lower into the 15-minute time frame, because we know that's the time frame where we want to execute our trade from. So we come higher, and in this case the low which broke the high, which is this swing low which broke this high, needs to get candle closed. I personally did not see this here, but this is a quite nice low. This is a swing low which broke a lower time frame structure, but in this case I don't care, because I'm not entering for 5-minute entries, I'm entering for 15-minute entries. And personally I also just looked at it this way, because I came to the charts later on and I've seen this here with the candle close, and I've seen these price mitigations here. So we have these clean price action models where we want to see price mitigating these levels and then pushing lower. So our main target firstly is this low, entering in between here with a stop loss above this swing low, and the take profit here. This is take profit 1, and my main target was Friday's low, which it still is. So I personally have this as a target, coming in this area here and then dropping down lower. 15-minute entry and then entering in between here. So we come in this area, getting tagged in, and then price consolidates a little bit because it's capping off the day, but then Asia distributes to our first take profit, where I've also taken partials, which I will show you later on. And then me personally, I waited, and then I woke up to Asia being something like this, and I didn't quite like it, because we have a nice channel build up here which may get induced, and then we see bearish continuation trades. In this case I had my position here, and then I moved my stop loss above this swing high to stop profit. Okay, that was my trade, and then that was it for Monday. I didn't even want to take trades for Monday, but that was it for Monday. I then marked Monday as a range, and I was quite sure that we will get a inducement here, so I just waited. But personally I didn't think that we will get a nice 4-hour 5 AM model in between here. A lot of people in the Telegram traded this, me personally not included. I didn't took this trade here. I didn't enter on the M5 here. I entered on the M15 after we turtle souped Monday high at this CISD, the low which broke the swing high. After this got candle closed and the next candle got formed, I immediately entered. I entered at this breaker block here, at this candle. My stop loss were these highs. First take profit this lows. Next take profit is Friday's low. A nice 1 to 6 around, and right now I personally took some partials below this low here, because the day is capping off already and we started to consolidate here. And after consolidation, what do you want to see? Manipulation and then a distribution. And this manipulation won't be random, because I will show you nice confluences in a bit. So we have a nice CISD here, entering first take profit, And right now we can wait for the second take profit to get hit, but we are pulling back. And for me right now, I move my stop loss to break even. I don't care what we are doing right now. So the thing that I want to see is we have a 4-hour IFVG. And if we go to the 2-hour, we can see we also have a 2-hour FVG overlapping with a 2-hour FVG, which just got mitigated. So for tomorrow, I think we will most likely just consolidate, hopefully, a 1 a.m. model, distribute below for the 5 a.m. model, and then we will most likely just see, I don't know, continuation for 9 a.m. But for me, Wednesday is gonna be a continuation day, because right now we just formed Monday, Tuesday as the turtle soup candle, and Wednesday can form this nice continuation trend or trade. Also right now we have a 1 p.m. model, okay, maybe to 50%, which also overlaps perfectly with the IFVG in between here, to be in a discounted area to look for sells. That's also why I'm currently bearish, because, well, if you look at the weekly time frame, there's no need to be anything else than bearish. And monthly is also bearish. We could cap off the week though, the month, because it's just 3 days left. Turtle soup this maybe, but that's not my main goal. My main goal is for next month or for next week to come a little bit lower, to then turtle soup previous month low, and then to expand higher into these areas. We can trade the daily candles, which right now, in this case, 1 week. So if you look at this box here, this is 1 week, around 1 week. And we right now have a range, turtle soup the range. We can trade the third candle, sell above the open to this low. That's why I have this buy limit here. This is my partials, which is Asia's low. So Asia low with the candle body, because I don't like this big wick here. I just have this here. And the bodies, I will move it even further up, but that's it. That's my partial hit here, taking out 80% of the position, letting the rest run lower, but I will definitely re-enter tomorrow, sell above the open. That's basically it. That's it for today. Enjoy and observe.